Alright, good evening. I'm going to document working on this motor. It is a 1.5 horsepower motor that came off a Pentair Whisperflo pump, and I know that the seal's bad on it. I just took this off, the diffuser. You can see here that the screw has come off, and it goes in here, and it's actually opposite thread. So instead of a normal screw in, it's a opposite because it spins and it tightens it up. So I'm going to, I can't hold the camera at the same time, but I'm going to remove this impeller. I'm going to remove the motor here from these bolts here off of the seal plate, and I'm going to see what I got. That thing ran dry for, you know, multiple days, so there's no telling what it looks like in there. It's not turning well. It's dragging. I don't know why it's doing that. So anyway, I'm going to walk through this. I'll take videos of it at different stages. All right, thank you.